Hello everybody, another day, another fishing adventure. Came back for trout fishing, fingers crossed, and we will get something. It's windy again and temperature dropped a lot. Now it is only +4. Night was about 0, so last few days were windy and very cold, so I guess water temperature dropped down quite a bit. That is not gonna help to our fishing, that's for sure, but we will see. Maybe we will get one another. Fish on! Woohoo! Wow, that is drop on! Yeah! What a beautiful trout! Yes! Okay, let's unhook single ones.
Boom. Same.
38 centimeters.
Not bad.
Not bad. Thank you.
Woohoo!
Literally just seen some movement over there. Did I think so 1 second cast and boom, fish on. Nice. What we got on? I got on 5 centimeters. Jackal Timon Tricorol GT. I seen some action over there. Oh, again. Fish on. Oh, that was big. I lost my half a fishing rod.
Start it up.
I had few attacks, but I noticed one thing, that trouts are not back yet into fast running water, and not too many places I can see where would be slug-ish water near fast running water. Oh, one trout just nearly took it. As here was. Oh, was another attack. Same trout, definitely. So yeah, that's probably exactly what I said. Sluggish water near fast running water. every time I'm fishing, I need to find where trout's actually holding, what they like, size of the lure, color of the lure. But that is very interesting, because living and learning, keep repeating things, you know, it's not always fun. And like today, I'm just learning. And I hope so some of you will learn as well. And maybe will tell me about my mistakes, what I'm doing wrong. All takes I got it was when I was doing some small twitches and relatively slow speed of retrieve. Oh, I just had hit.
Start it up.
Ooh. Ah! Fish on! Whoa! That is crazy size! That could be my biggest ever! It could be sea trout as well because it's massive. Or maybe not that big as it looked in the beginning. Yes! Yes! Wow! That is so beautiful with red dots and everything. Come on, guys! Let's measure. A nice tip, guys. Put measure thing on your fishing rod.
What's saying?
45. Look at this beautiful fish. Female, I think so. Okay, one beautiful one. Look at these dots. Thank you. Boom.
Boom.
And my friend got wow! That is
Beautiful, man. Look at
can't see. Yes!
Thumbs down,
Guys.
thumbs down, boy.
Oh
My God.
look how beautiful! Insane! Okay, let's measure it. 48 centimeters. My BP was 53. This is 50. 40, 45, 50,
Yeah. So
48.
beautiful.
1 second. I'll take camera off.
Beautiful, yeah.
Wow, that is insane. Okay. see what's left from wobbler, from lure. All destroyed basically, that's it. Metal pieces came out. The hook broke off, luckily in a net, so we did fine. Didn't left in a fish. Awesome. That was absolutely insane. My friend's lure was totally destroyed. Mine was 45 centimeters and my friend's 47, but his trout was in a perfect shape. Colors was just beautiful and proper fat. Oh, by the way, I caught again on this one, and my friend caught on Rapala Countdown. Thank you everybody who stayed all video with me and my friend. It was very cold day. All day we've been grinding. I got 1 or 2 small trouts, then few attacks, nothing serious. And just before end of the day, I got 45 centimeters, absolutely beautiful trout, and my friend got 47 centimeters. It's your best one, yeah, biggest. Yeah, it's his personal best. Crazy. Right. Thank you everybody for watching. Please press like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.